Online class for kids. For more fun learning videos, don't forget to subscribe.
Hi! Today, let's learn what are the essential things that we need when traveling. Let's see our checklist. Handbag to put IDs, money, and other important things. Say handbag. First aid kit, where I can put all of my medicines in case of emergency. Say first aid kit. Sunscreen, to protect my skin from the heat of the sun. Say sunscreen. Motion sickness medicine, so that I won't get sick while traveling. Say motion sickness medicine. Swimsuit, for me to wear when I'm in the beach. Say swimsuit. Cosmetics, so I can look great wherever I go. Say cosmetics. Wallet, where I can keep my money. Say wallet. Folding umbrella, to protect myself from the rain and sun. Say folding umbrella. Credit card, for me to use as a payment if cash isn't available. Say credit card. Suitcase, where I can put all of my clothes while traveling. Say suitcase. Clothes, one of the most important things to bring while traveling. Say clothes. Toiletries, it's better to bring your own body wash, soap, or shampoo. Say toiletries. Map, so I won't get lost to an unfamiliar place. Say map. Guidebook, to help me know more about the place. Say guidebook. Handkerchief, to wipe unwanted sweats while traveling. Say handkerchief. Cell phone charger, in case my phone has low battery. Say cell phone charger. Adapter plug, just in case my phone's cell phone charger has a different plug. Say adapter plug. Tissue, to keep myself clean wherever I go. Say tissue. Passport, to show my identity so I can travel abroad. Say passport. Digital camera, so I can take pictures of places that I'd like to visit. Say digital camera. Camcorder, so I can document my travel experiences. Say camcorder. Let's play a game called What I Want. Help me to choose the correct item to put inside the luggage. What I want to bring is a handbag. Correct, that's the handbag. What I want to bring is a first aid kit. Correct! That's the first aid kit. What I want to bring is a sunscreen. Correct! That's the sunscreen. What I want to bring is a motion sickness medicine. Correct! That's the motion sickness medicine. What I want to bring is a swimsuit. Correct! That's the swimsuit. What I want to bring is some cosmetics. Correct! That's the cosmetics. What I want to bring is a wallet. Correct! That's the wallet. What I want to bring is a folding umbrella. Correct! That's the folding umbrella. What I want to bring is a credit card. Correct! That's a credit card. What I want to bring is a suitcase. Correct! That's the suitcase. What I want to bring are clothes. Correct! That's the clothes. What I want to bring are toiletries. Correct! That's the toiletries. What I want to bring is a map. Correct! That's the map. What I want to bring is a guidebook. Correct! That's the guidebook. What I want to bring is a handkerchief. Correct! That's the handkerchief. What I want to bring is a cell phone charger. Correct! That's the cell phone charger. What I want to bring is an adapter plug. Correct! That's the adapter plug. What I want to bring is a tissue. Correct! That's the tissue. What I want to bring is a passport. Correct! That's the passport. What I want to bring is a digital camera. Correct! That's the digital camera. What I want to bring is a camcorder. Correct! That's the camcorder. You did great today.
See you next time!